taking recount of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's last movement. In this lesson, we discuss about the Abdul Kalam's last movement, about the author. This lesson is written by Sujanpal Singh. Sujanpal Singh has been Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's companion since long. He is an author, public speaker, activist, and an antiquarian. He shared the memories about Dr. Abdul Kalam's final hours throughout a Facebook post. Sujanpal Singh, advisor to former President APJ Abdul Kalam, was on the stage with him in Shillong when he collapsed and was taken to hospital. In a touching post on Facebook, Singh recounts show the late scientist spent his last day and throughout that went throughout his mind. Sujanpal Singh is the companion of APJ Abdul Kalam. Sujanpal Singh know everyone think about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. About text, Sujanpal Singh has been Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's companion since long. He is an author, public speaker, activist, and entrepreneur. He shared his memories about Dr. Abdul Kalam's final hours through a Facebook post. Sujanpal Singh expressed the last moment of APJ Abdul Kalam on the Facebook post. That Facebook post declared how that Abdul Kalam died in the institution. Text: it has been 8 hours since we last our sleep and memories keep flushing down. Sometimes as years, our date July 27 began at 12 afternoon when we took our seats in the flight to Guwahati. Dr. Abdul Kalam was the first day and I was IC. First seat, he was wearing a dark colored Kalam shoe and I started off complimenting nice color. Little did I know this was going to be the last color I will see on him. Long 2.5 hours of flying in the monsoon weather, I hate turbulence and he had a master over them. Whenever he would see me go cold in a shaking plane, he would just push down the window pane and stop. Now you don't see any fear. That was followed by another 2.5 hours of a car drive to IIM Shillong. For these two led trip of 5 hours, we talked, discussed and debated. These were amongst hundreds of the long flight and longer drives we have been together over the last 6 years. Add each of them, this was as special too. 3 incidents in a particular will be lasting memories of our last visit. Sujanpal Singh was giving Abdul Kalam's last moment throughout his Facebook post. Everyone said that after the death of Abdul Kalam on the Facebook post, good boy to the Abdul Kalam, and Sujanpal also he posted in his Facebook account that the last moment of the Abdul Kalam. Singh started on July 27th and afternoon they were both are going to IIM Shillong. IIM means Indian Institute of Management. In Shillong means it is the place of IIM. Both they were going to there and motivate their students and tell them. It seems the man made force are as the speech to the livability of earth and pollution. First, Dr. Abdul Kalam was absolutely worried about the attacks in Punjab. The loss of innocent lives left him filled with the sorrow. The topic of a lecture at IIM Shillong was the great evil planet Earth. He related the incident to the topic and said, it seems the man-made force are as big a threat to the livability of Earth as pollution. We discussed on how this trend of violence, pollution and reckless human actions continue to be forced to live Earth 30 years. At this rate, maybe he said, you guys must do something about it. It is going to be your future world. When Abdul Kalam entered Abdul Kalam said to the student that you guys must do something about it. It is going to be your future world. I really need to find find out a way to ensure that the parliament works on development politics. Our second discussion was the more national for the past 2 days. Dr. Kalam was worried that time and again parliament, the supreme institution of democracy, was dysfunctional. He said, I have seen two different governments in my tenure. I have seen more after that. This disruption just keeps happening. It is not right. I really need to find out a way to ensure that the parliament works on a development politics. Abdul Kalam worried about the politics, what is on the time of a president. He knows the two government of English service. Tenure means time. He then asked me to prepare a surprise assignment question for the student at IIM Shillong, which he would give them only the end of the lecturer. He wanted to them to suggest 3 innovative ways to make the parliament more productive and vibrant. Then after a while he returned on it. But how can ask them to give a solution if don't have any myself? For the next hour, we thought option after option to come up with his recommendation over the issues. We wanted to include this discussion in our upcoming books, Advantage India. Abdul Kalam wanted to give the questions type of assignment to solution for this problems. Even they also discussed about this thing in upcoming their book of Advantage India. Are you tired? Would you like something to eat? I am sorry you had to stand so long because of me. Third, what an experience from the beauty of his humility. Everyone knows Abdul Kalam is very friendly and he is so innocent with the students. He never shows in front of students and in front of human beings. He never shows his attitude and etc. We were in a convoy of 6-7 cars. Dr. Abdul Kalam and I were in the second car. Here I knew Singh expressed his Abdul Kalam's journey. We were in the convoy of 6-7 cars. Dr. Abdul Kalam and I were in the second car. Ahead us was an open gypsy with the 3 soldiers in it. 2 of them were sitting on either side and one lead guy was standing atop, holding his gun. 1 hour into the road journey, Dr. Kalam said, why is he standing? He will get tired. This is like a punishment. Can you ask a wireless message to given that he may sit? When they were going to IIM Shillong, in that journey, Abdul Kalam was in that time he is a president and he is a great scientist. So the security has been covered with his car. Convoy gives security. 6-7 cars and Abdul Kalam and Singh seated in the second car. In that ahead the car, one guy standing with his gun to secure the Abdul Kalam's car. But Abdul Kalam don't like that. Why he is standing? Then he sit down. Convey my message to on the wireless. I had to convince him. He has been probably instructed to keep standing for better security. He didn't relent with tired radio messaging and that did not work. For the next 1.5 hours of the journey, he reminded me twice to see if can and signal him to sit down. Finally realizing there is a little he can do, he told me I want to meet him and thank him. Surjapal Singh also told him sit down. Abdul Kalam didn't like he was standing and we are sitting, but the guy, security guard is not ready to sit. So he stand after the man they reach and the place. Abdul Kalam wants to meet him and thank him. Later, when we landed in IIM Shillong, I went inquiring throughout the security people and got hold of the standing guy. I took him inside and after Abdul Kalam greeted him, he took his hand and said, thank you buddy. Are you tired? Would you like The angling guard wrapped in a black cloth was surprised at the treatment. He lost words that just said, "Sir, आपके लिए तो 6 घंटे भी खड़े रहेंगे." When the guard were treated as the special in Abdul Kalam's view, he was surprised because Abdul Kalam was a great scientist. Everyone know if their position is high, their attitude and their behavior will change after the posting in higher post. But Abdul Kalam never changed in his attitude and behavior. So when we treated like thanking him because standing 1.5 hours in the car, but the guard surprised how after the treating of Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam thanked him and surprised him. So the security guard told him that आपके लिए तो 6 घंटे में खड़े रहेंगे.